Here I'm representing my teaching portfolio, which I will use to teach my student. Here's the cover page. On other side is the order name Sipho Ngampalala, student number 2057 1372, contact 079 57 64 576, email address ngampalalasipho5@gmail.com, institution University of South Africa, UNISA, module PPT 1501, title teaching portfolio. Here's the table of content. It is on page 1. You can get the cover page, and page 2 author information, page 3 table of content, page 4 entry, page 5 introduction, page 6 student feedback, page 7 parent feedback, page 8 conclusion, page 9 references. Another side, here is my entry. It will introduce what you can get on this teaching portfolio. As an educator, I believe that climate change is crucial for empowering students to become active participants in mitigating its impact. Through this portfolio, I aim to showcase my approach to teach climate change, highlighting student engagement and assessing learning outcome. There's some question that I provided to students to test their understanding about this topic. I would go through that to their responses to check how they understand about climate change. Another page is introduction about climate change. Teaching climate change. Climate change is pressing global issues that requires immediate attention and action. My approach to teach climate change is focusing more on the following: scientific literacy, understanding the science behind climate change; critical thinking, analyzing the impacts and implications of climate change; sustainability, exploring solutions and strategies for mitigating climate change. That's my introduction on the topic that we learn on that student portfolio, which is teaching climate change. Another page, there is student feedback. I put it inside there. Student feedback, Sarah. Learning about climate change has made me more aware of my daily choices and their impact on environment. John say, the climate change unit was engaging and thought-provoking, and it inspired me to take action. And the way my teacher used to teach this unit, I think it would be easier for me on my assignment and examination to answer the question that is based on that unit. Tammy say, I appreciate how the lesson connect climate change to a real world issues and solution. I think it makes things easier to understand what you have to decide for the day. Yeah, that student feedback. Yeah. Okay, another page, you got the parent feedback, which is the comment of the parent about this unit we're learning. Let's say the mom, Mrs. Gladys. We are impressed with how the climate change unit has piqued our child's interest in the environment issues. Time is that Mr. Johnson appreciates the emphasis on the sustainability and the practical steps I hope our children can take to make different. No one does that, Mr. Mtolo. The climate change lessons have been informative and engaging, and I think our children are more mindful for their environment footprint. I think now they know what they have to decide for the day and also for their examination. I think they got clear understanding about this unit, climate change. Yeah, here's the conclusion of this portfolio. This teaching portfolio showcases my approach to teach climate change, highlighting student engagement and assessing learning outcome. It demonstrates my commitment to empowering students to become active in addressing these critical global issues. Uh, Another page is the references. I'm referencing the author, the sources that helped me to do this teaching portfolio. First source is National Ocean and Atmospheric Administrator, NOAA 2022, Teaching Climate Change, What You Can Do. Second author is United Nations Environment Program 2022. And the third order is Emission Gap Report 2022. Thank you.